Thirikari nibete mandagitari MWANKA RUUJU KURIIKIA RWAO na kubeshe na mwerekera wa mugomo wa uroditira mbere wa mandagitari. Thirikari ikiugaga nibingitie gishinshike 96 kia MANTU RWARIA makwendekana akiaririe nyumbani ya mishemanio ya KCC nyuma ya gwetera uge wa mandagitari tukuyonde mandagitari magasha na ngwataniro ya gushoka wira na thirikari munene wa rutibira mamwingi Felix Kosgei aruga mota thirikari metikaniritie kugendagendia kagitaga gushaina ngwataniro ino iria irabaterie kurikirirwa omundi ne ori mumuma amemba makamiti makuga ni makunogwa ni buria mandagitari bakuremye kiregwisha na ntaira ya kuthiria mugomo ngwataniro iria yandiki ya mutaratara wa gushoka wira nini twikite njuki iri gutu kire mandagitari mama Maria utuku wa egoro marathire MWANKA thita ikirikanaga nkinyagia ni makuringa kura kuona kethirwa marungamie mugomo gwakagita kana mauthirie bururu.
The issues, in fact, the issues that were concerning the counties were cleared 100%. The issues that concerned national government were all cleared except one, the issue of payment of interns.
We were expecting that they will be done by 2. Unfortunately, the meeting seems to be taking long. But as we've all agreed that we will reconvene tomorrow for the final signing, and we're looking forward to the strike being called off.
We want to commit to them that the issues that we did discuss yesterday were not just words that were spoken. We meant them, and we still have the same stand that whatever we gave yesterday, the county governments or the issues, because we had 99, not 99, but 101% agreement on the issue, all the issues by the county government. We mean them and we mean.
In negotiations, people cannot get everything they are looking for. And as a government, we've really bent backwards. We've made a lot of concessions. Out of 18 issues, we have got 1 issue. Surely, under whatever examination, that's an A, if not an A+. It's an A+. It's 96%. We have really overachieved. And I'm really hopeful that tomorrow the union will do the rightful thing, not for the interest of ourselves as government or doctors, but for the interest of all Kenyans.
We have decided that since it is becoming night, we need to give them some more time for them to conclude the discussion with their membership, so that tomorrow, once they are ready, we come here, convene here, sit down and initial or sign the return to work formula as agreed yesterday.
On Friday, the Ministry of Health did receive 4.3 billion from National Treasury, and starting today, we have started paying of claims that have already been reconciled and verified. So from today, facilities that had provided services, including Linda Mama, should start receiving their claims from NHIF. Thank you.